Hello students, welcome to my channel Hans Commerce Tutorial for the lectures on commerce, accounts, finance and management. My suggestion to you, before watching the video, please go to the description below my video. You'll find a link there. Take a printout of the problems given in the link and keep it ready before watching the video so that you can be able to understand the problem, the solution and the explanation to get the maximum benefit from the lectures. So we were discussing about the 12th problem. Already 12th problem we have prepared the realization account. We calculated the realization loss. Then two circumstances, two cases are given when the capitals are fixed. We are finding out in the case where the capitals are fixed. When capitals are fixed, we will make partners current account, partners capital account and bank account. So partners capital account given in the balance sheet, the capital of PQ are 30,000, 15,000, 3,000. We have made the current account. In current account realization loss we have taken on debit side and reserves we have taken on the credit side. Then whenever a partner has become insolvent, the solvent partner has to bring the cash equal to their share of loss. So here 18,000, 6,000. So bank account debit to P's capital to Q's capital 18,000, 6,000. ये 18,000, 6,000 बैंक में आ गया, right? Now we are closing the account of the insolvent partner. The insolvent partner is R. तो R के debit side पे यहाँ पर 12,000 है, credit side पे 2,000. तो balancing figure 10,000. So this 10,000 in the account of R's current account is transferred to R's capital account. The entry will be R's capital account data to R's current account. R's capital account data to R's करंट अकाउंट. तो करंट अकाउंट को क्रेडिट कर दिया बाय आर्स कैपिटल और आर्स कैपिटल को डेबिट कर दिया टू आर्स करंट अकाउंट. बाय मेकिंग दिस आर्स करंट अकाउंट इज क्लोज्ड. आर का करंट अकाउंट क्लोज हो गया. अब कैपिटल अकाउंट को भी क्लोज करना है तो आर के डेबिट साइड पे 7,000. आर्स अकाउंट डेबिट साइड 7,000 एंड क्रेडिट साइड इज ओनली 3,000. So there is a deficiency of 7,000. You can see here deficiency in R's capital 10,000 minus 3,000, 7,000. This deficiency will be borne by P and Q in their fixed capital ratio, that is 30:15. Here it is fixed capital ratio 30,000, 15,000. So 30:15 or 2:1. So 2/3 and 1/3. So 7,000 into 2/3, 4,667. This is the loss to be borne by P. And 2,333 is the loss to be borne by Q. तो deficiency 7,000 का हुआ. तो 7,000 में 4,666 का deficiency P borne करना और 2,333 का Q. The entry is P's current account data or Q's current account data to R's capital account. Now P's current account data or Q's current account to R's capital account. So how much P? 4,667. Here 2,333 dash. So here P's current account data, Q's current account data to R's capital. तो R's capital को credit करेंगे by P's current account 4,667 by Q's current account 2,333. Now what will happen? R's account will be completely closed. R की जो deficiency थी वो P और Q bear कर लिए, R का account close हो गया. Now we have to close the accounts of solvent partners P and Q. तो P's capital account, you can see debit side it is 18 plus 4, 22,667. Here also 22,667 minus 18, 19, 20, 21. So how much is the balance remaining in capital account of P? 22,667 debit side है. उसमें से minus कर दिए 18, 19, 21. 21,000 निकाल दिए तो 1,667. This is in the account of P. तो P के करंट अकाउंट को क्रेडिट करना है तो डेबिट किसको करेंगे? कैपिटल अकाउंट. तो एंट्री विल बी P's कैपिटल अकाउंट डेटा टू P's करंट अकाउंट. तो ये P's के करंट अकाउंट में बाय P's capital account balancing figure. So P's current account is created. Now P's capital account will be debited to P's current account for 1667. उसी तरह सेम वे Q का डेबिट साइड 6 plus 2 8 8333 8333. Now 8333 minus 7000, so 1333 is remaining. 1333 is remaining in case of Q, and this 1333 should be transferred to Q's capital account. So entry will be Q's capital account data to Q's current account. तो यहां पर लिखेंगे Q's capital account balancing figure here to Q's current account 1333. That's it. By passing this entry, the current accounts are closed. पूरे current account close हो गए. PQR, R का जो बैलेंस था R के कैपिटल अकाउंट में डाल दिए. उसी तरह P के पास जो बैलेंस आ रहा 1667 इसको कैपिटल अकाउंट में, और Q के अकाउंट में 1333 बैलेंसिंग फिगर आ रहा. This is transferred to Q's capital account. Now we have to finally close the accounts of partners capital. Now debit side, credit side, P's credit capital account 30,000, debit side is 1667. तो remaining balance is paid through bank. अब जो पेमेंट करना है P को, तो 30,000, here also 30,000, 30,000 minus 1667, 28,333. So 28,333 should be paid to bank. Balancing figure 28,333. 28,333. This amount should be paid through bank. Entry will be P's capital account data to bank. तो बैंक को क्रिएट करेंगे by P's capital account 28,333. That's all. P's account is closed. Now Q's account. Credit side 15,000. Balance is 15,000. Now 15,000 minus 1,333. So it will be 13,667. So 13,667 should be paid to Q. So entry will be Q's capital account data to bank. तो Q के कैपिटल को डेबिट कर दिए, बैंक को क्रिएट करेंगे बाय Q's कैपिटल अकाउंट. हो गया कितना है 13,667 over. All the capital accounts are closed. Now we have to find out whether the bank account is tallying or not. If you do not commit any mistake, then bank account will get closed. So debit side 5,000, 54,000, 18,000, 6,000. Total 83,000. Credit side 41,000, 28,333, 13,667, 83,000. Successfully we have closed all the accounts. There is no difference at all. अगर कहीं मिस्टेक अगर करते हैं तो ये अमाउंट्स नहीं आते थे, ये अकाउंट टैली नहीं होता. So when the bank account is tallying, that means correctly we have closed all the accounts. This is case 1 where partners capitals are fixed. Now we have to take the second case where partners capitals are fluctuating. Case 2. Partners capital accounts are fluctuating. In this case we make partners capital account and one more bank account. Now, see here, by balance brought down. What is the old balance as per the balance sheet given? Partners capital 30, 15, 3. 30,000, 15,000, 3,000. Now, bank balance is 5,000. Balance sheet में दे दिया bank balance 5,000. Now we start posting. In fluctuating capital method, all adjustments are made in capital account only. We don't have any current account. There is no headache of current account. Here only one capital account is there and all adjustments will be made in capital account itself, right? So balance we have taken. Now realization loss. When there is a realization loss, it will be debited to capital account. So to realization loss. How much realization loss each partner got? 18,000, 6,000, 12,000. Already we have prepared. Realization account already we have prepared. Next comes, whenever a partner becomes insolvent, the solvent partner has to bring the cash equal to the realization loss. Here R insolvent हो गया तो P और Q cash लेकर आ रहे हैं, तो बैंक account data to P's capital to Q's capital. तो credit side by bank. How much cash they are bringing? 18,000. And here they will bring 6,000. So bank account debit side to P's capital to Q's capital 18,000, 6,000. Come on. So that entry is over. Now reserves. The reserves are distributed between all the partners. So by reserves. Same entry you can see in the current account. Current account में credit side reserves जितना लिए थे 3,000, 1,000, 2,000. 3,000, 1,000, 2,000. Reserves over. Now, we have to find out what is the deficiency. Deficiency in the account of R. Deficiency in the account of R. R is equal to 12,000 minus 3,000 minus 2,000 is equal to 7,000. 7,000 rupees is the deficiency in the account of R. Now this should be borne by P and Q in the ratio of capital and reserves. Because this is a method of fluctuating capital. अगर fluctuating capital है तो reserves को भी consider करना capital में. This deficiency of rupees 7,000 will be borne by P and Q in the ratio of capital and reserves. That is, how much is the capital of P? 30,000. Plus, how much are the reserves? 3,000. Is to how much capital Q? 15,000 plus reserves 1,000. That is equal to 33,000 is to 16,000. That is equal to 33 is to 16. ये new point है. Previous case में fixed capital method. In fixed capital method we will not consider the reserves. Only fixed capital ratio we can 30 is to 15. तो fixed capital method अगर follow करेंगे तो खाली capital लेंगे, reserves नहीं लेंगे. Only 30 is to 15. Fluctuating capital अगर method follow कर रहे हैं तो the capital should be adjusted for reserves. Only reserves. तो capital 30,000, reserves 3,000, 33,000 and 15,000, 1,000, 16. 33 is to 16 के ratio में divide करें. राइट तो P के लिए कितना पड़ेगा? P is equal to 7000 into 33 divided by 30, 40, 49. Q is equal to 7000 into 16 by 49. Now we'll calculate and see how much is the share each partner will get. So 7000 into 33 divided by 49. 4714. Similarly, 7000 into 16 divided by 49. 2286. 2286. This is the partner's share of, loss on deficiency. The deficiency loss of 7000 will be borne by P and Q as to 47142286. The entry will be P's capital account debtor, Q's capital account debtor to R's capital. तो सॉल्वेंट पार्टनर्स को डेबिट करेंगे और इंसॉल्वेंट पार्टनर को क्रेडिट कर देंगे. ये एंट्री पास करने से इंसॉल्वेंट पार्टनर का अकाउंट क्लोज हो जाएगा. तो पीस कैपिटल अकाउंट डेबिट करेंगे टू आर्स कैपिटल. दैट इज हाउ मच 4714 एंड 2286. एंड आर्स कैपिटल को क्रेडिट करेंगे बाय पीस कैपिटल बाय Q's capital. How much? 4714 and 2286. Finished. The account will get closed. 12,000. अब सोचना ही नहीं है आर के बारे में. आर का अकाउंट क्लोज हो गया. अब सिर्फ सेटलमेंट करना है P and Q. Or all the entries are what? Simply we have to find out what is the total on the credit side. पहले बैंक अकाउंट में assets realize ले लेंगे. In the bank account we have not taken assets to realization. Assets realized. This will be same. How much? 54,000. Then payment by realization. Creditors. How much creditors are paid? 41,000. Right. Then P's capital over. Now we have to make the settlement. 30, 40, 48, 49, 50, 51. 51,000 is the total on the credit side. 51,000. 51,000 minus these two amounts. So remaining balance will be 28,286. To bank. Balancing figure. Final settlement. Finally 28,286 rupees has to be paid to P. So entry will be P's capital account debtor to bank. तो बैंक को क्रेडिट करेंगे by P's capital. 28,286. Similarly Q को भी मालूम करेंगे. Credit side 15, 21, 22. 22,000 is on credit side. अब 22,000 में से माइनस करेंगे 6,000 और 2,000. So it will be 13,714. 13,714 should be paid to Q. So Q's capital account debtor to bank. 13,714. Here the accounts are closed. All the capital accounts are closed. Now you have to find out the total in the bank account. It should tally. So 5,000, 18,000, 54,000 and 6,000. 83,000 is the total on the debit side. Credit side 41,000, 28,286, 13,714. It comes to 83,000. That's all. So this is the case when capitals are fluctuating. The only different point is deficiency. How the deficiency will be borne by solvent partners. Capital and reserves both should be taken. Now, problem number 13. See the 13th problem. See 13th one. At the time of dissolution of the partnership firm, the balance sheet of A, B, C, D was as follows. Creditors 38,000, capital A, B 20,000, 10,000, cash at bank, sundry assets, capitals of C and D. तो दो पार्टनर्स के कैपिटल क्रेडिट बैलेंस बता रहे हैं और दो पार्टनर के कैपिटल डेबिट बैलेंस. जो एसेट साइड है वो डेबिट है और जो लायबिलिटी साइड है क्रेडिट है. तो पार्टनर्स कैपिटल अकाउंट बनाते वक्त क्रेडिट साइड पर ए और बी का लेंगे और डेबिट साइड पर सी और डी का लेंगे. The assets realized, sundry assets 55,000, goodwill 10,000. Expense of realization amounted to 2,000. C has become insolvent and nothing was realized from his private estate. Show the capital accounts of the partners. The fluctuating method, not fixed method, fluctuating method. So here A, B, C, D, 4 partners are there, out of which C has become insolvent. The remaining partners are A, B and D, right? So first we have to find out, prepare a realization account. We'll make a realization account to find out whether there is realization, profit or loss. This is problem number 13. Next account we make bank account. Next we make partners capital accounts. Partners capital accounts. A, B, C, D. By balance brought down, to balance brought down. So two partners A and B are showing a credit balance, so 20,000, 10,000. And C and D are showing a debit balance, 12,000. C and D, 12,000 and 5,000. One point you remember, according to Garner versus Murray rule, if a solvent partner's account shows a debit balance, he will not bear the loss of deficiency. Deficiency loss वो पार्टनर नहीं बेयर करेगा जिसका डेबिट बैलेंस हो. अब यहाँ पर इंसॉल्वेंट पार्टनर सी है और डी सॉल्वेंट पार्टनर है, बट ही इज हैविंग अ डेबिट बैलेंस. तो whatever deficiency we are going to get, that deficiency will not be borne by D. That deficiency will be borne by A and B only. That point you have to remember. Now first of all, realization. Bank account, how much is the bank cash at bank? 6,000. Now first entry, realization account data to all assets. Here sundry assets. To sundry assets. How much is the book value? 45,000. Liabilities में एक ही है creditors, तो by creditors, that is 38,000. Now all the assets are sold. The assets realized, sundry assets 55,000 and goodwill 10,000. 65,000 rupees are realized. So bank account data to realization. Assets. So assets realized 65,000. तो realization account credit side by bank 65,000. Now liabilities are paid. Only one liability was there, that is creditors. Now creditors are paid. So realization account data to bank. Realization account debit side to bank. Creditors. How much are the creditors? 38,000. बैंक को क्रेडिट करेंगे by realization. Creditors 38,000. That's it. Now we have to find out the profit or loss on realization. Here what do you see? The credit side is more, 1,03,000. Credit side is more, that means there is a realization profit. There is no loss. Realization profit. Now to profit transferred to A, B, C, D. How much is the profit we got? Minus कर दीजिए 18,000 rupees profit. Realization expenses are there. Sorry, realization expenses 2,000. To bank. Expenses of realization 2,000. By realization. Expenses 2,000. Right? Now here to profit. Transferred to. So how much profit? 1,03,000 minus 45 minus 38 minus 2. तो 85 निकाल दिए तो बचे कितने? 18,000 rupees profit. You will get 18,000 rupees profit. Now this 18,000 will be shared by the partners in the old profit sharing ratio. What is the profit sharing ratio here? 1/4 equal partners. 1/4. So 18,000 divided by 4, 4,500. Each partner will get a profit of 4,500. Each partner will get a realization profit of 4,500. So entry will be realization account data to partners capital account. By realization profit 4,500 each partner. That's it.